So I think as gardeners we have a big responsibility to help with seed saving, which is normally not really accessible to farmers because they sell their crops, and so the seed is actually gone along with the crop. Some things you could save as well, but for the most part you need minimum populations of plants to be able to save seeds and have some diversity in your genetics. So I'm just going to show you. I couldn't remember what I planted in this bed, and then yesterday I was walking around and I noticed there's 2 squash plants, and I don't know what they are, but I'll find out. And I always leave the volunteers because they tend to be the healthiest. If I was a farmer, I wouldn't really be able to do this because I need to guarantee the quality of my crop, and I need to guarantee that I am using my space efficiently. And so as a gardener, I have a huge advantage to be able to experiment. Here I have a row of beets along here. I don't know if you can see them with the pink. I have a row of spinach in the middle, and I have a row of carrots, which are super tiny, right here. So there's 3 rows in this bed, and I couldn't remember what I planted. And yesterday when I was walking around, I saw kale all over the place. I saw the squash. I saw this asparagus that I planted from seed a few years ago that outpaced the roots that we had bought. Just because when you start a plant from seed, it actually adapts to its climate and region, so it'll perform a lot better with a lot less labor, which is really beneficial over time. And then also it gives me the chance to not really disturb this soil too much. So usually what I do is I just, in the fall and in the spring, once I'll take this edge and kind of lift the soil up a little bit and shape the bed, and what that does is prevents anything in this row that's growing on the ground from growing up into the bed, and it's a lot easier for me to manage. I also noticed there's little clover babies germinating in here, so those might be from seeds that I spilled or might be just friendly clover that seeded last year.